Understanding Safety Manual, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases safety manual. Whether you're at work, using a new gadget, or in various other scenarios, understanding these terms is crucial. Let's dive in and make sense of these important phrases together. A safety manual is a document or booklet that provides instructions and guidelines to ensure safe operation or handling of a product, equipment, or within a workplace. It contains important safety information, procedures, and possibly emergency response actions. Understanding a safety manual is key to preventing accidents and ensuring a safe environment. Typically, a safety manual includes 1. General safety instructions, basic safety rules applicable in most situations. 2. Specific safety guidelines, detailed instructions for specific equipment or tasks. 3. Emergency procedures, steps to follow in case of an emergency, like a fire or equipment failure. 4. Maintenance and care, information on maintaining equipment to ensure it remains safe to use. 5. Contact information, details of who to contact for further safety information or in an emergency. Safety manuals are crucial for several reasons. Preventing accidents. By following the guidelines, users can avoid hazardous situations. Legal compliance. In many places, adhering to safety manuals is a legal requirement. Creating a safe environment. They help in creating a culture of safety at the workplace or at home. To effectively use a safety manual, you should 1. Read thoroughly. Before using equipment or starting a task, read the safety manual carefully. 2. Understand the instructions. Make sure you understand all the guidelines and procedures. 3. Refer back regularly. Keep the manual handy and refer back to it whenever necessary. 4. Ask questions. If something is not clear, ask a supervisor or a knowledgeable person for clarification. That's all on safety manuals. Remember, these manuals are not just formalities. They are essential tools for ensuring safety and preventing accidents. I hope this video helps you understand the importance and usage of safety manuals. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.